This is all very much a prototype, but I finally managed to get a complete e-bike kit together. It's somewhat stealthy. I mean, if you can look past all my lovely green Velcro. This style of e-bike comes with brake cutoff levers, a throttle, a motorcycle style throttle, brake cutoff levers both sides, and this control panel here that we'll talk about in a minute. Down here has the pedal assist system, so effectively as you pedal the bike, the motor just helps you along up to, in this case, a legal speed of 25 kilometers an hour. You can easily out pedal that with the gearing on this bike, but it helps you get up to speed, and so you've got more energy, I guess, available at the top end for yourself. All the wiring, drip loop in here, it's been bundled and it heads on into the control box, which is this lovely stealth Band-Aid kit. Take a look inside. Simply a Chinese bike, e-bike controller, 36 volt lithium ion battery, and our on-off switch. Like everything on a bicycle, we want things to be pretty much weatherproof. The equipment seems in pretty good condition for weatherproofing, as far as, you know, I think this computer could stand getting a bit of rain on it. The throttles and such, eventually it's going to corrode and stop working, but with the way I've done this, it should shed water as best it can. I think in the final product I'm going to find a way to avoid possibly using this tube, because I know a lot of times we use that to rack mount our bikes on the car, so I'd almost prefer using this tube for the wiring. So we can play with that though. There's different options available. As far as riding it goes, it's very much like any other bike. Excuse me while I throw my leg over here. Effectively in like a medium gear, and it's in assist level 2, which means it's going to help me up to, I think, about 16 kilometers an hour. Let's give it a try. So as I pedal, the motor just kicked in. And now I stopped pedaling, of course, because I'm approaching this road. I don't know if you can hear the motor or not, but so this is just me casually pedaling. Giving us 17. If I stop pedaling, she stops assisting. Now we're going to need 3 hands for this job. I've now turned the assist up to number 5. It boogies this on up. 20 something. Just simply by pedaling. Now you do have a hand throttle, so if you want to drive it like a motorcycle, it's going to kill the battery a little faster, I'm sure, but it works well. If you hit the brakes, this just cuts off. Go for land speed attempt here. I'm pedaling pretty hard, but not breathing hard or anything. I'm gonna grab another gear here maybe, but the thing about this type of assist is you can get to where, like now, I'm pedaling just to make the motor keep running, but the motor's doing all the work. And then when I hit this hill, I felt the acceleration. And so it will maintain. I mean, it held 22 all the way up that small hill. Yeah, not bad. This is not the most powerful. This is probably the lowest power kit you could buy. And it propels my 250-pound butt around thusly. Thanks for watching.